G'day, I'm a telco tech named Tyson, and this is my 2 weeks of fibre upskilling. Now I've returned to the field, I've wanted to focus a bit more on fibre, and I got my fibre endorsement earlier in the year, and then since then just been looking for opportunities to get some hand-on experience. This 2 weeks training is on the Intercity Fibre network. I'm in the South Australian portion of it. So far we've just done spliced in a couple of joints. And today we're going to just validate each fibre, make sure the pairs are clean all the way through. They'll send some traffic or some light down each individual pair. I'll put a slight bend in it on. Yep, that's come through. So we're just stripping back the fibre, getting rid of the acrylic and exposing the glass. It's not going to focus, but from there we can just put it straight into the bare fibre adapter, shoot some light down it, confirm it's getting the right distance, and then we can pick up light on that same pair and validate the pairs straight all the way through. And we just keep repeating that process. Well, there we go, that's wrapped up my 2 weeks. I'll be packing up in the morning and heading back off home. And yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.